Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a microphone by Comica, brand name CVM-MT06. It's actually designed for Osmo Pocket, but we're going to try to use this on our iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm going to show you how to hook it up. That way you could actually get it to work with your iPhone or any other smartphone. You can technically use this on your Samsung device, LG, or any other Android device. So let's go ahead and actually pull it out of the box. Look how tiny that is. That is a very tiny microphone. It would actually be very useful for something like a smartphone. These days, more and more, we're using our smartphones in order to capture video and photography. Some of us are even vlogging with the cameras like me and taking lots of selfie videos. So the sound is actually very important. So you be the judge what kind of sound you would like, if this sound is right for you. But I will have a comparison with an iPhone. So what you're gonna need is an iPhone dongle to connect this, a gray connector wire from Rode, and I will actually leave links in the description below. So here's the microphone. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this dongle here, and here's the gray connector by Rode, and here's the Osmo Pocket Mobile. So what we're gonna need to do is go ahead and actually untwist it. So basically this is a 1/4 inch screw mount. You will need another cold shoe mount. So attach it to this microphone. And the actual iPhone holder that we're using, it's by Ulanzo. Same thing for the grip. I will leave the links for those as well. But the cool thing about this iPhone type of grip, it is metal and it's got a cold shoe mount on top. So we could easily mount it to the top of the iPhone here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this right in and wrap everything around this device. That way the wires are not actually going everywhere. But you can actually start using this microphone by connecting first to the gray connector. The gray connector will need to be plugged in to the 3.5mm jack, and then that portion will need to be plugged in to the actual iPhone dongle. And that completes the circuit, guys. Once it's complete, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, a very clean type of setup that you can take anywhere with you. Now, it does come with a foam type of piece. It actually looks very, very professional. I actually quite like it. Now, you can actually use this Comica microphone with your iPhone, but you could also use it with a GoPro. You could use it with any type of device. Technically, this is a plug and play for the GoPro. Now, if you are with an iPhone, you obviously need an iPhone dongle and you need a few things in order to get started, which is not a big deal. I will provide links for those. So check it out, guys. Look, this is a clean setup, don't you think? It's very nice, and you could twist it forward and back. So if you are vlogging, you want to twist it towards the front like this, and you're basically seeing yourself. So the microphone is actually facing you. But if you want to actually film your subject, you could actually twist it to the other side, and this actually would work very good because you're going to be capturing the exact sound that you actually would want. So let's go ahead and actually do a few tests and find out what this microphone sounds like. This is a test. So obviously you could tell I am holding this iPhone like in arm's length. So it's about like 2 feet, 2.5 feet away from my body. So if I'm talking like this, it's obviously working. So you're probably wondering, is it really working though? So let's tap on the microphone. Tap, 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 tap. We are tapping on it. So as you could see, it's probably picking up some taps, but probably not quite, because now we have a piece of foam right over it, which will also make the sound a little bit more, I guess, more crisper, more cleaner, because it's going to block out some of the P's and the T's and like the type of sounds. So kind of like a pop filter, Now I'm testing the microphone of the iPhone at an arm's length. And iPhones, they have like pretty good microphones for that matter. But would you really trust your mobile phone's microphone if you're trying to film something that's important to you? You want to make sure you're going to have all the crisp tones and sounds, but you be the judge. Right now I'm actually talking to you directly on the microphone from the iPhone, and you guys could see that I have this connected, and of course I removed the sound that's coming from this camera. That way you're only hearing the iPhone camera. This is a microphone test. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video, and please hit a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. If you like this review of this microphone, please come back and watch more videos with the reviews like this of different microphones, headsets, Bluetooth headsets. These days we're all using these type of things. We're all doing selfie videos and selfie type of pictures. Most of us are using our smartphones to make video and take pictures. So why not have a setup which is very affordable and have really good quality while doing it, you know. But anyways guys, hope you like the setup. Let me know in the comments below if you did or not. I will have links to this type of products that I'm using. I'm using a handle by Ulanzo. I'm using a Ulanzo type of iPhone grip. I'm using some mounts for the cold shoe mounts. And of course the microphone came from Comica. And this is this microphone is CVM-MT06. I will link it up in the description below. So it looks like you're gonna have this as a souvenir, guys, which, you know, does have a 1/4-inch screw on it as well. So looks like a little souvenir for you. Well, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.